Hello everybody, my name's Paul Tace. In this video we are going to be looking to see if we can legally fly our Mavic Mini or our Mini 2 from our back gardens in the UK. Let's get started. Okay guys, so the new year in the UK has started in lockdown with the new laws that's come into place. Now this has led to a lot of questions. Can I legally fly my Mavic Mini from my back garden? And in the most cases, the answer is yes. The law states that sub 250 gram drones can now be flown close to people, which means we can fly them from our back garden with a few restrictions. We cannot fly over crowds, and we cannot fly from a restricted air zone. So if your garden is in a restricted airspace or a no-fly zone, you will not be allowed to take off from it. Okay, now there's just one thing that could be a potential problem, and this is going to be privacy. Now the law states that anybody with a reasonable expectation of privacy should not be recorded. So if I'm standing outside your house on a public footpath and I'm shooting in, this is perfectly legal, would you believe, because it's reasonable that any member of the public could walk along that footpath and see you in your house. So if we then apply this to drone law, it's not really reasonable to expect someone to be filming you from above. So I would imagine that filming people from your drone straight down into their gardens would be illegal. So a way around this would be to fly at a higher height where you can't really see what's going on or who it is, or alternatively the safest way would be to switch your camera off and to make sure you're not filming as you're flying over the houses. So if you are recording flying over houses, I would just make sure that there's no one that you can recognise in any of the shots, and it may also be worth letting people in the local area know that you may be affecting what you are doing and what the reasons behind it are. Now another thing to point out is I wouldn't really be hovering in one place above somebody's house. This could be really unsettling for them. Even if you're not invading their privacy, it's just not a nice thing to do, and it's not particularly ethical. So if you wanted to fly to a local park that was near your house, as long as you could still see your drone there, I would recommend flying there without the camera on and then switching it on when you get to the park and you start flying around. Okay guys, so that's a brief summary of my views on this subject. I say I'm not a legal expert, but I do believe what I've said to be true. If you disagree or if you have any further questions, please leave a comment in the section down below and I'll be happy to get back to you when I can. If you found this video useful, hitting that like button is a huge help to me as a creator, and I hope to see you in the next one.